Hi, your coach Ramchandra Bandekar here. Have you ever asked yourself, what is the single biggest obstacle to your success? What stops people from achieving what they truly want to achieve? What stops people from taking action? What stops people from becoming their greatest version? Do you know what it is? Fear. Fear is the single biggest obstacle to your success. Do you know there are so many types of fears? Fear of failure, fear of success, fear of losing loved ones, fear of illness, death, fear of rejection, fear of poverty, and so many in fact. I categorize fears into two types. First, the fear of unknown. See, the brain is designed to survive. So, whenever you step into unknown, the survival mechanism kicks in and it tries to keep you the same. So, the fear of unknown is the common thing because it wants you to be in that comfort zone. The moment you come out of comfort zone, you will be scared, isn't it? So it forces you to be in your comfort zone. Now, second one is the fear of known. Let's say you had an idea and you wanted to share with your boss or a colleague and they make fun of you. Now, next time you don't want to share your ideas with them because now you are scared or you are afraid of getting embarrassed. Or a student asking question to a teacher and the teacher scolds him back. So next time that student will never again ask the question because now he has learned fear of the known. And fear of the known can be, for example, you start driving the car and you are afraid to drive the car. Mainly because you are scared. And that fear comes from lack of competence. Let's say I take you to a operation theater and ask you to do the heart surgery. And obviously you will be scared if you are not a heart surgeon. Isn't it? Now that's because you are not competent. If competency is the problem, then find out somebody who can help you. Take my example. I have been conducting presentation and public speaking course for almost 12 years now. And there are hundreds of places where they conduct public speaking courses. And my training is the only training in entire India that promises to remove stage fright in just 2 days. Now, why do I do that? Mainly because that competency I have developed over the years. And to overcome fear, it's quite easy nowadays. Two ways, okay? First, most institutes, trainers, speakers, they use what is called as systematic desensitization. They will make you go and speak again and again and again, and the chances of fear going increases, right? Whereas what I do, I reprogram your subconscious mind because all change has to happen at an unconscious level. Only then it lasts. So, using NLP, hypnotherapy, and the processes I have developed over the years, I can help you become fearless in just 2 days. Or in my total life transformation training, we have found that people who had fears for 25 years learn how to get rid of it not in 25 minutes, less than 5 minutes. Because the technology has evolved, we as a human beings have evolved, it's just that you have to develop that kind of a skill. Now, fear of the unknown and the fear of the known. This is what I categorize all kind of fears into. And if it is the fear of the unknown, you have to be open for it, You have to come out of your comfort zone. You have to say, I will master my fears. Because fear can be your best friend or your worst enemy. If you tame the cobra of fear, you can be a master. It can become your best friend. But if you are scared of the things, then the chances are that you will never go to the next level of your success. So here is what I would say. If you truly want to overcome fears, first decide to overcome your fears. First, become aware of it. You know, "Oh, this is my biggest fear." Write it down. The second step. Once you become aware, write it down. Third, ask yourself, what can I do to overcome these fears? Do I need to develop competence, or do I need a coach to help overcome this fear? You ask yourself, or go to YouTube or Google, you find out how you can overcome that particular fear. And trust me, this could be the single biggest change that can help you overcome any obstacle. And me as a coach, I would be very happy to help you. See you.